In this activity, students generate two numbers, one 10 less than the given number and the other one 10 more. So this is, the number is 42. Now I generate 10 less than 42. So 10 less than 4 tenths. So 1 10 less than 4 tenths is 3 tenths. So 32. So 10 less than 42 is 32. Now 10 more than 42 is 50. Once remains the same, 52. Let's take another example. Number 10, 10 less than 10 is 0. 10 more than 10 is 1, changes to 2, 20. 84. 10 less than 84 is 74. 10 more than 84, 8 plus 1, 94. Number 99. 10 less than 99 is 1 less than 9 is 89. 10 more than 99 is 1 more, that means this is 10. 109. Directions help students to work on the activity independently. Here is a reference sheet. If students get confused with 10 more and 10 less, they can use this reference sheet to work on the activity. Teacher exemplar sets expectations and answers provide immediate feedback. 10 less and 10 more of the given numbers.